Special thanks to all the subscribers. You're the best. Like I want it to be a parallelogram. All right, easy, easy. Leave us a comment down below and let us know what you're thinking. So what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage YouTube channel. We'll continue working on this 2023 Nissan Titan. This truck is a beast of a truck. We really enjoyed getting this thing rebuilt. We ordered a bunch of parts from the Nissan dealer, and some of those are coming in. We're going to try to test fit some of these. And in the last episode, you saw us pull the frame out, pull the radiator support out, and pull the apron out. So we're going to test fit some of these parts. Almost every part was a dealer part, but a couple of the parts that we got were just too expensive, like $400 for a fog light. So we went aftermarket on those, just ordered a pair of aftermarket LED fog lights. And then we ordered an aftermarket radiator because the Nissan radiator was $1,000 and we found an aftermarket for 400 bucks. We went ahead and swapped out this radiator. I'll show you the damage. It's really hard to see, but that little spot right there, it just bent that flue just a little bit and caused the radiator to just be completely damaged. And we could probably send the radiator out and get it fixed, but we just went ahead and installed a brand new one. It's looking OEM in there. And you saw us pull out this cross member because this bracket and this adaptive cruise control radar sensor goes right on front. We need to prep this cross member for paint, kind of get all the etch primer on that, get that done. And I think the grill and the bumper and a lot of these things up front have made their way here. We're going to see what we've got and see what we're missing, see how it all fits, see how much work we can get done, and hopefully this truck will be back on the road before we know it. So let's stop talking about it and let's do something about it. Let's get to work. Man, everything is going good. JP, he's headed up here to check it out and see where we're at. It's looking really good so far. We may have to tug it just a little bit. Right. Right there, yeah. You see, you can kind of see where it's back. Look right there. Yeah. And you can see it. When we put the grill on, we could tell that it was back just a smidge. But the shutters are fitting good. Headlight, not perfect, but it's getting there. All right, easy, easy. Whew, that thing comes out, it's gonna break this shutter. Let's go a little bit, Caleb. I think the tower's still just coming to me, ain't it?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, that looked good. Yeah, let's come off of it. So let's take the shutter out. Yeah. Let's just do that because it costs so dang much. Dun, dun, dun. I really want the shutters off. Maybe I can pop the shutters from coming out. So see, I like that better. Like I want it to be a parallelogram. You know what I'm saying? But for us to truly understand a parallelogram, we have to ask the question, what is a parallelogram? man, we just started working and working and working, and we didn't take a break at all. We was squaring up that front end because it was out just a little bit. I mean, just a tad. And you know, we took the tram gauge and we measured and we squared and we pulled with a tower just a little bit and got the radiator support 100% square. So we got our new $1,500 headlight, and we were real gentle and easy. And we kind of got us a nice test fit on how it was going to fit to this fender. We brought out the bumper, and we still got to Bondo this up just a little bit, but that fender's looking pretty good. I think we can live with that. So we strapped on the bumper, and then we strapped on the grill, and everything up front is looking OEM. We found out that we're missing a couple of brackets and a couple of things, and like the Nissan emblem, and those things, they just turn into, you know, just a nickel here and a dime there. It's just part of it. And you know, we might even buy a couple extra, because why buy one when you can buy two for twice the price? And it's kind of our motto. We know we need to order this little fella here, the little fog light bezel here, but we're almost ready for paint. And tell us what you think about this front end. How's it looking so far? This truck is really coming together, and everything is lining up 100% perfect. We're pretty proud of the work that we did, the framework, and now we got just a little bit of body work. We'll get this piece painted, this piece painted. We're going to repaint this one over here and paint that fender. So we probably just snap it all off the truck, jump in the booth, get it painted, and then start putting it back together for the final time. We're really, really close to being finished with this truck. But I think we ran out of time for this video, guys. But don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. Leave us a comment down below and let us know what you're thinking. We'll catch you guys next time. Special thanks to all the subscribers. You're the best. We'll catch you next time in the next episode. We're out.